Consumer courts. Consumer court is a special purpose court in India that deals with the cases regarding consumer dispute, conflicts, grievance. Its main object are to maintain the fair practice in contract of a sellers and to protect the consumer rights. The court does this by holding the judiciary hearings. Consumer can file a case against a seller if they feel they have been cheated or exploited by the seller. Means to safeguard the rights of the consumers and to protect them from the unfair practices these consumer courts have been established. The rights provided by the consumer courts are: first is the right to safety, the right to be protected from all types of hazardous goods and service. Then the right to information, the right to be fully informed about the performance and quality of the all goods and service. Then the right to choose, the right to freely choose the goods and service. Right to be heard, the right to be heard in all decision making process related to the consumer interest. Right to redressal, the right to seek compensation whenever the consumer rights have been infringed. Right to consumer education, the right to complete the consumer education. Total 6 rights are there provided for the consumer courts. Provided by the consumer courts to the consumer. Right to safety, right to information, right to choose, right to heard, redressal and right to consumer education. List of consumer courts in India. First is the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, a court which operates nationally and deals with the cases where claimed compensation exceeds 1 crore. It is also the highest appellate court in the hierarchy. It is the highest judiciary in the consumer court. Next court is at the state level, the State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, a court which works at a state level with the cases whether the compensation claimed is between the 20 lakh and 1 crore. And last is at the district level, District Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, a court which works at the district level with the cases where the claimed compensation is below 20 lakh. Here we have seen the monetary jurisdiction of the consumer courts. According to the new act, the monetary jurisdiction of the consumer courts have been increased. The 2019 Act was notified on 15 July 2020 and brought into the effect on 20 July 2020 and has established the consumer councils. So according to the new act, district court complaints where the value of the goods or the service is up to the 1 crore. Then in the state court, in the State Consumer Dispute Redressal Council, it has given the jurisdiction for the value of more than 1 crore but less than 10 crores, and under the new act the National Consumer Dispute Redressal Council is empowered to hear the complaints worth more than the rupees 10 crores.